How to change location on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and I will guide you to change location on Android device. Without further ado, let's get started. On your Android, find out Settings application and tap to access it. Scroll down and check for the option of Additional Settings. Once you access it, tap on Language and Region option. Here you can see region on the second option. Simply tap on it. Currently, it has been set to Nepal. You can easily scroll to the bottom of your screen and find the line. So, your region where you reside or want to set for your Android phone. You can easily choose any of the country and tap on it. After that, all the changes will be changed according to the country, like the date or time. So, I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and comment.